Chapter 7, Ruined Weekend. I haven't written anything. What's there to say when home is a room filled with garbage that we pretend is important, like Ma's broken hope chest? Once, it was filled with things she sewed, like holiday linens and napkins, crocheted baby blankets. But now there's no more holiday tables with turkey and Shirley Temples. Definitely no more babies, Ma said, so the tablecloth and blankets got sold. In Jamaica, Ma's ma taught her a good woman has a clean house. Everything should be in its proper place. But Ma and me are both too tired out. It's hard with no sink, with clothes and broken toys in boxes, not any chairs, only beds. The nearest thing in the whole room is a locked suitcase. No one is allowed to touch it. Ma says it holds stuff from Pop's last good job. What stuff? I don't remember Pop having a job longer than a few months. He quits or gets fired because his head hurts or he has an attack where he can't breathe. Why can't Pop clean house? Even Ray tries to make his bed. He folds his blankets and puts them beneath me and Lita's pillow. I think Ma shouldn't have left Jamaica. She says she came to America for a better life. Where? I don't see it. In Jamaica, the water might be pretty like the water in Miss Garcia's calendar. The Hudson River isn't nearly as beautiful, only gray, no sparkling white waves. What's that you got? Asked Pop. I look up at him. He's tall with bushy brows and curly hair. He's smiling and I feel hopeful. Most days, Pop is sad. It's clay and construction paper. With plastic scissors, Ray is cutting paper dolls, one for each of us. Green paper people. With the chubby crayon, Lita draws a big O smile on each of the circular heads. No eyes, no nose, just O's. It's good seeing you play. It's homework. We're helping, Ray laughs. Pop squats. Even with his skin ashy, his legs and arms too thin, he's still handsome. Ray leans against him. He loves to touch Pop. Lita stays closer to me. You like your new school? I shrug. It's all right. I don't tell him I like school. I don't want him to think it's okay that we're living in Avalon. Pop grins. His fingers touch my nose. I bet you're the smartest girl in the class. I can't help it. I smile. When we had a house, I used to sit on his lap on the stoop, and we'd watch the night stars. I think Ray should go to school. Ray? Pop looks at Ray like he's an alien. Ray scoots closer to him, face upraised. He's got that. Hold on. I've got that. He's got that tired. He's got the same page twice. All right, now I got it. He's got that cute, aren't I cute look? Aren't I the nicest boy in the whole world? When'd you get so big? Lita, still tiny, climbs like a baby bear onto Pop's lap. I'm adorable too, she seems to be saying. Ma opens the door. Ray squeals. Fried chicken! Salt, grease, and yummy chicken smells flood the room. Hey, says Pop. Hey, Ma says, seeing us all on the floor. Ma's tiredness just flies out of her body. I can tell. She thinks we're acting like a real family again. Pop is the before Pop, happy, playing with us. It's extra sweet. Ma bought chicken so we don't have to eat in the girls' cafeteria. Pop's helping with my homework, I say, knowing Ma would be pleased to hear me say it. What is it? Ma asks, joining us cross-legged on the floor. It's a house. Well, our room. Miss Garcia wants us to show our homes. Ma's eyes flash. Pop hangs his head. What do you think they're thinking? It's fine, I say. I don't have to do it. She isn't making me. I want to show where we live. Folks will find out anyway. Pop's hand starts shaking. It's okay, I don't mind. Sides, it's not just about home. It's about the missing towers. Notice that up here. I want you to look at this. Notice right up here when she says sides. That's using voice. It's like besides, sides. Sometimes you cut out the beginning of words. Sides, it's not just about home. It's about the missing towers. What? Pop's face crumbles. Looks like a scary Halloween mask. It's some crazy project. We start with home, end up talking about the two towers in Manhattan. Something about history. Ma slumps. Pop lifts Leda and hands her to Ma. Leda, feeling the dark clouds, cries. Ray grabs the red and white chicken bag. Too young. You're too young, Pop says angrily. James, let it go. Quiet. She shouldn't know. He holds his head like it's about to explode. It's okay, James. It's going to be okay. Ma looks at me, and I can tell she wants to cry. But Ma doesn't cry. So what does this tell us about Leda? Does she have any idea about the Twin Towers? No. She silently pleads. I know what she doesn't say. Hold on. Oops. I know what she doesn't say. I'll take Leda and Ray outside. Come on, Leda. I lift her onto my hip. She's heavy. Ray. Leda wails. I want. Her hand opens and closes. Gimme. Ray hands her a chicken thigh. I open the door, but before I close it, I look back. Ma's rubbing Pop's head. It's my fault. I don't know how it is or why it is, but it is. We were being a family, and I ruined it. I slam the door hard. Sunday, Pop never gets out of bed. Ma makes me take Ray and Leda to go play outside all day. It's okay, but I get hot. Leda can sleep in the stroller, drooling, her head pitched to the side. Ray just gets crankier and crankier. I have a piece of blue chalk. I teach Ray tic-tac-toe, and we play over and over until the chalk is a nub. Come nightfall, Leda's pull-ups underwear starts to glow. Cinderella shines, and her shining is supposed to remind Leda not to pee in bed. One day, Ray, we'll see a Disney movie. Yeah? When Pop's not so sad anymore. Ray looks up at me, believes I know all the answers. I tap him on his head. Yeah, when Pop stops being sad. All day Sunday, Pop wheezes in bed. Ma works an extra shift. I do want you to pay attention to one thing. Notice when they use these three little dots, they're starting a new day. So it's not a whole new chapter, it's just a new day. So in your writings, if you ever want to show like a big gap in time, you could do something like that.